You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that can be a bit confusing. Some mispronounce it, so make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn variations of these names. It's sometimes spelled with a C at the beginning, which is more of the Irish version. Yes, this is a name of Irish Gaelic origin, pronounced in Irish as well as in English. Killian, same pronunciations, Ki, Li, and with a stress on the first syllable. Killian, do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know. Make sure to let us know in the comments. And where you're from, do you pronounce it Killian or any other ways? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.